Now, let's talk about an important inflection point. The moment when a hands-on, do-it-yourself approach, which has served you well and gotten you this far, may no longer be enough. A self-managed approach to security is a powerful and commendable start. It shows ownership, awareness, and initiative. But as your business grows, there comes a point where the complexity, the risk, and the time required can outstrip your capacity to manage it all effectively on your own. This isn't a failure, it's a sign of success. It means you're growing. So how do you recognize when it's time to consider more structured support? Here are the key signs. 1. You're managing multiple frameworks or regulations. You're juggling the requirements of GDPR for European clients, a detailed security questionnaire from a major prospect, and trying to align with ISO 27001, all manually. This quickly becomes a full-time job in itself. 2. Your team is growing beyond a handful of people. Onboarding new employees securely becomes chaotic. Managing an ever-expanding list of accounts and access permissions via spreadsheets and email chains becomes error-prone and overwhelming. Ensuring consistent training for everyone feels impossible. 3. You're winning larger, more demanding clients. This is a good problem to have, but their procurement processes now require detailed evidence of your security controls. They want proof, not promises. And the stakes of a breach, financially and reputationally, are now much, much higher. 4. The to-do list feels perpetually overwhelming. You lack a clear, prioritized system to track what's been done, what's pending, and what's most important. Without that system, things fall through the cracks. Security drift sets in. You're busy, but are you making progress? And 5, you need to prove your security posture. It's no longer enough for you to feel secure. You need to demonstrate it convincingly to partners, to insurers, to board members, to regulators. You need evidence, reports, and a story you can tell with confidence. If any of these signs resonate, here's the most important thing to remember. Seeking more robust tools or expert guidance at this stage is not a failure. It is not an admission that you couldn't handle it. It is a strategic business decision. It's a decision to de-risk your growth. It's a decision to protect what you've built. It's a sign of maturity, not weakness. This brings us to a powerful truth: how CHI evolves as your business grows. The Cyber Health Index is not a static report you get once and file away. It is designed to be a dynamic partner, a tool that grows with you from your early solopreneur days all the way through to becoming an established small or medium enterprise. Let me show you what that evolution looks like. First, from snapshot to system. It begins by giving you a baseline, the CHI snapshot, a clear picture of where you stand today. But as you engage more deeply, it transforms into your management system. It tracks your progress over time. It helps you manage policies. It maps your controls to frameworks. It becomes the central nervous system of your security efforts. Second, from simple to comprehensive. In the beginning, you focus on the quick wins, the foundational habits from Module 3. That's exactly where you should start. But as you advance, CHI helps you implement more sophisticated controls. It guides you on detection, on response, on business continuity. It helps you turn basic hygiene into a truly resilient security program that can withstand more than just opportunistic attacks. And third, from self-assessment to demonstrable assurance. Initially, CHI is an internal tool. It's for you. It helps you understand your risks and track your progress. But as you grow, the platform evolves into a source of evidence-ready reports and executive dashboards. These are tools you can use to build trust with external stakeholders, with clients who demand proof, with insurers who need to see your controls, with partners who want assurance. It turns your security from a private concern into a competitive advantage.